This shot shows how the customer would receive the gate with hinge installed but not loaded. The first thing you would do is remove the top rail from the gate, as shown in this shot. Again, impact tools are required, but the fastest way, you could use an Allen wrench, but an impact tool is the fastest way. You would then remove the hinge from the gate, and then remove the top rail of the railing section you're attaching the gate to. Note this is typically a two-man operation. Start by putting the hinge onto the post and loading the hinge. Put the first collar onto the post. Leave the second collar loose since it will attach to the gate. Now the third collar comes along and you wind it up, opening up, feeling the tension, and rotate it until it can be mounted to the post. You would then drop the collar onto the post. This is called loading the hinge because it is under load. The fourth collar again you would leave loose. The fifth collar will go onto the post. Ensure that the end of the spring fits into the opening of the collar above it. You would then wind it up and attach that to the post as well. Now note, you need to keep the entire assembly fairly sandwiched together. That's why one person on the bottom holding it tight with the other person on top is helpful. The sixth collar you leave loose. The gate is now loaded. You would tighten the bottom set screw on the post side of the hinge. Then feed the gate from the bottom up through the loose collars. Line up the top of the gate post with the top of the railing post. Then tighten the other set screws on the railing post side. At this point you would center the gate. Now you're loading it, so you still need two people here. Holding the gate open, you would tighten the set screws on the gate side. We're talking approximately 17 foot-pounds of torque in this. Depends on the metal, whether it's steel or aluminum, but 14 to 70 foot-pounds will keep this tight. You would then install the top rails of the gate and of the railing. And there is your finished product, a self-closing gate.